Hey everybody, this is Douglas. I'm here on Lichess trying to figure out some of these puzzles. And today I'm looking at trying to figure out what they're called. And I think that helps to, when I play these, I play them a lot to kind of warm up, and then I play them after and I record some of them. So this one, I'm looking at the queen obviously being threatened by the pawn. If I take the pawn there, he's just going to take with his rook. And if I look to take with my bishop over here, his knight, he's just going to take my queen. Or he'll just take with the pawn first. So just try the bishop here and take with the queen, and then just taking with the queen. So I'm not sure why he moved the pawn up. I think it's because I would have taken, sometimes I like to look at him again also. So if I take here, and then if I would have taken his knight there, putting him in check, I would have taken his rook also. So knight and rook I would have taken, instead of just taking his rook, and then I was going to take his knight this time, but he moves his bishop to protect it. Because I was trying to figure out what this is called, and then taking with the queen. Alright, let's try one more. So taking there, then he's going to put me in check with his queen. If I take his, so up one, take, and then he's going to take my bishop. So do I want to move my knight up? Or, this is a common kind of position that I've played in too. Like a couple other videos, sometimes you do just do the obvious, and then if he takes, oh, it's not check. If he, oh, he's going to check me, and then he's going to take my bishop. So check, takes. So is there a way to prevent that? Because he's looking to go to this spot on C7. He doesn't have anything to back it up. So let's go with, if I use the bishop, check, he's just going to take, that's just losing the bishop then. If I move my knight up, that's not really threatening anything, so, alright, let's just take, puts it in check. Is there a way to block with something else? Ah, there it is. So blocking with the knight, and, sorry, I forgot to say pause the video. And then you've got your bishop protected. Alright, what's that called? Alright, well, if you know what it's called, if you could put it in the comments. Alright, so thanks for watching. If you liked the video, let me know. Keep making them. Alright, take care.